Hey everyone! Today I'm making Japanese milk bread. If you've only made basic loaves of bread before, you're in for a treat because this will be the fluffiest bread you'll ever make. Let's get started. First we have to make a Tangzhong. This is what makes the bread extra fluffy. To make it, add 23 grams of flour, 1/4 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of milk to a small saucepan. Continue to stir until it comes together into a smooth mixture with no lumps. Add it to a bowl and cool to room temperature before using. For the bread, add yeast to warm milk and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until activated. To your mixing bowl, add 350 grams of bread flour, 50 grams of sugar, 15 grams of milk powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, and all of the Tangzhong, and the activated yeast. If you don't have bread flour, all-purpose will work well too. Using the dough hook attachment, mix the dough on low speed for 5 minutes. It will be sticky at this point. Then add 58 grams of softened butter and continue mixing for about 10 minutes. The dough should become smooth and pull off cleanly from the sides of the bowl. Spray a clean bowl, add your dough, and cover with plastic wrap. Let rise for 1 hour or until it doubled in size. I add mine to the oven with the light turned on. Now that it's doubled, turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knock all the air out. This is optional, but I weighed it to get 4 perfectly even balls, but feel free to eyeball this step. Now roll each ball into a rectangle. Fold onto itself like this and rotate 90 degrees. I rolled a little more because my pan is a bit wider. Then roll it up and pinch the seams. Place in your greased bread pan seam side down. Continue for all 4 pieces. Cover and let rise again for 30 minutes or until doubled in size. Preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit and before baking, brush the loaf with milk or an egg wash. Milk will give you more of a matte finish and an egg wash will be shinier. Honestly, the reason I use milk is because I don't like wasting an egg. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes. As soon as it comes out, I brush with butter for extra flavor and shine. And yes, I use margarine. Nothing better than the smell of freshly baked bread, eh? Wait a few minutes, then take out the loaf and cool on a rack. I hope you try this recipe to see for yourself how soft this bread is. You can use this Tangzhong method to any of your favorite bread recipes to make it extra fluffy. Thanks for watching! Bye!
Like and subscribe, please.